On opening your fuel cell module 801 package from Intelligent Energy, you can expect to find your user manual, a configuration report, and a foil bag containing the FCM. Carefully remove the FCM from the foil bag. And remove the cardboard sheet from the air filter. Check that your components match this list and the images in the user manual. Please make sure that you read the user manual before integrating the FCM. The user manual includes lots of useful information and troubleshooting, as well as a step-by-step guide designed to make the integration process simple and straightforward. The FCM offers many benefits. It's reliable, cost-effective, and compact. It's a complete product that is easy to integrate. It generates clean DC power from hydrogen gas and oxygen from the air, producing a small amount of water and heat. It offers near-silent operation and is vibration-free. It is a modular and scalable, compact power solution. The FCM consists of several distinct components, including the air filter, the exhaust duct, the main power cables, the electrical interface or control connector, and the hydrogen inlet. Connecting the hydrogen hose to the FCM is simple and straightforward. Screw in an adapter to the hydrogen inlet and tighten. Connect your hydrogen supply to the adapter with a hydrogen-rated pipe. To connect the FCM to the main load, fit an appropriate connector to the end of the main power cables and connect to the batteries and the main load. The power cables can be connected to the main load in parallel with batteries, enabling you to handle much larger peak loads. Plug in the control cable at the back of the FCM to connect your Enable and Run switches. Then simply switch on the Enable switch and the Run switch, being sure to activate both of them. From telecommunication and portable power generation through to backup power, auxiliary power units and material handling equipment, the Fuel Cell Module 801 will keep your critical applications working when you need them the most. The FCM air filter is the only item requiring maintenance. It is easy to visually inspect, as well as simple to replace. Use a 4mm Allen key to remove the front screws and lift out the filter to inspect for dirt. As a guide, we recommend that you check the intake filter condition on a monthly basis. If you have any further questions about your product, please get in touch with our dedicated product support team. Our contact details can also be found in the user manual.